What's up guys, this is Usman here. In this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A31. After all, it looks same like as A51 and the A71, but it's new device because it's a new model number after all from the Samsung. So let's jump to the table to see what's inside it. So here's the box. On the top there is the print of the device, and on the back there is a warranty card. So that's it. Now let's unbox it. So there were two wrappers on it, and now let's see. There's a seal. First of all, there's a branding of Samsung, and let's take it out. And I think so this is a box which will include the cover. Yes, I was right. So here you can see it's a silicone cover, which is again very smooth, and the good thing from the Samsung, they are providing this with the device already. So let's put it on side. What's inside it? There are manuals. Okay, so let's put it on side also, and there is nothing inside of it. So let's take this device out, and before taking a look on the device, let's put it on side and see what's inside it. So here you can see they put the SIM tray tool here in a separate box, not in this box. Okay, that we in which you, in this box that we usually get it, but they put it in a separate way on this device. And this is a SIM tool which is used for the SIM tray. And let's put it on side, and let's see. This is a fast charger. There's a mention the fast charging, and let's see how much it's providing. It's providing us 15-watt fast charging. So it's a 15-watt fast charging adapter, which is a good thing. These are the hand-free, already hand-free that we usually get from the Samsung in these devices. Let's put it on side. So here is it's a USB A to C port for the adapter. Okay, let's put it on side. So that's it. Now the box is empty, and now let's put it on side. Okay, here is a device, and on the top you will get the few features mentioned here: Infinity U display, quad camera, on-screen fingerprint sensor. And I bought it in the Prisma Crush black color. And put this on side. And on the back, it looks like the exactly the Samsung Galaxy A51 that we unboxed on this channel, and the back is also looking the same. Let's boot it up first. So alright, it's all done after taking a long time, but it's ready now. So here you can see providing very clear and the sharp display, which I usually love for my smartphone. So there's a punch hole camera, as you can see here, and there is a dark mode available on this device. Like if you turn it on, and now everything is in black. So this was the unboxing. So soon I will create more videos on it, like its review. I will compare it with the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and I will try to compare it with the other available devices also to see which one is best for you. And now this is how it's looking in the cover. So let's jump to see its more key features. In the key features, first of all, I will mention its display. This device comes with a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. Samsung provides 6.4-inch display with the resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. One thing more to note on this device is that the Samsung providing 411 ppi density, which is a good thing in this budget. This device provides us very clear and smooth display. And next, its chipset is the Helio P65, which is built on 12nm process, which packs the octa-core processor, and its GPU is Mali G52MC2. In upcoming days, I will test PUBG and Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 on this mobile, so make sure to subscribe my channel. It comes with the Android 10 and the One UI 2.0. And I have 4GB variant with 128GB of the storage. And there is a quad camera on the back of the Samsung Galaxy A31, which provides you 1080x30 fps with LED flash. On the front, there is a 20 megapixel selfie camera, which provides you 1080x30 fps again. And the last is the battery. This phone comes with 5000 mAh battery and with 15-watt fast charging adapter. In upcoming videos, I will do a battery charging test also to see how much time it takes to charge fully. Okay, for now, that's all. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you really liked it, then make sure to thumbs up and comment below what do you say about this device. Watch my other videos till the next one. Take care. Bye bye.